In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a video collage on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up camera. Then select Reel and tap on Layout. Also, you can tap on Change Grid to select any grid from that list. I'm just gonna pick that one. And once you did that, you will be able to record a video in each of that rectangles, and also you will be able to add a video from your camera roll. So first off, let me show you how you can easily record a video. You can just hold down your finger at that record button and then just record a video. Then you can tap at that icon and upload some video from your photos gallery. Let it be that one. Before adding that video, you can trim it in that way. If you want, you can trim it from the start and from the end. Then just hit on add to add it right here, and then you can record a video or add from your camera roll to that rectangle. I'm just gonna record my band in that way, and then you can just tap at that check mark to create that video collage, and then you can continue recording a video, and also you can hit on next. Then you can add some audio here, some stickers, some effects, and all that stuff. After that, you can hit on next to share that video collage as a reel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.